Very good morning to all of you. Hope everybody's doing well, staying safe, and being healthy. Just wanted to take a minute here and go through some of the directions for your assignment here for the next 3 days. So let me be clear on the front end. Your assignment over the course of the next 3 days is going to be to take a look at yourself as a subject in a psychology study. So I wanted you to be able to do that as we've been investigating the numerous ways that psychologists find out information about other people. So one of the things I always do in my class is have students do their own scientific methods project, and this is no different. So that's what's going to be the assignment for the next 3 days. Now, you'll check in on attendance each of those 3 days and give me an update on progress. So the attendance form will be added to the folder each day. The folder will be listed under Module 2 as day 15, day 16, day 17. So you should be able to access that, and the form will be in there every day. So make sure you check in and get your points get your attendance credit. Okay, so the assignment is simple. Just going to use yourself as the subject, and we're going to base it on activity. So that you do outside for the next 5 days. So basically, you're going to be going outside for the next 5 days for 20 minutes. Okay, so doing an activity of some sort, whatever you choose, if that's doing yard work, if that's taking a walk, if that's sitting outside, whatever it is, we're going to be measuring what being outside does to your mood. Okay, so you're also going to do just a little outside research, getting one source from the internet that explains the benefits of exercise and activity on your psychology, your mood. So a simple Google search on that will be just fine. So you're going to write down a hypothesis. A hypothesis is an educated guess as to what you think will happen during this experiment for the next 5 days. What do you think the impact? You can't be wrong. It's a guess. You just want to guess what you think will happen when you spend 20 minutes. If you're already doing it, then obviously you just document what you've been doing. And if you haven't been getting an activity or doing something, then you need to, that'll be part of your assignment. So for 20 minutes, the next 5 days, go outside and do something. Practice proper social distancing, of course. You're going to write down your dates and times for each day you go outside, what you did, what you felt like before you going outside, maybe on a scale of 1 to 10. I felt on a scale of 1 to 10, I felt like a 5. I wasn't, didn't have a great mood. I wasn't feeling the best. And then go outside, did something, and write down what you did. Then you write down how it made you feel after that activity. Also record the weather, what it was like, the temperature, if it's cloudy, sunny, windy, whatever was going on, what was it like outside? And then at the very end, you're going to make your conclusion. So all you're going to see on this post for the assignment is this template. This is what I'd like you to put your work on. Everybody will get a template and be able to work from that. So it lays the assignment out from your hypothesis to the research that I talked about, your day 1 data. Okay, so you type right in here, today's date is Wednesday, April 22nd, which is Earth Day. Happy Earth Day to everybody. And then day 2 data and all the way through day 5. Then you get down to your results. What did you find out about how activity, exercise, and the weather impacts you? How does it affect you? And then your conclusion. What can you conclude about being the subject in your own experiment? And if you could change anything once you look back on it, would you have done something different? That's what this particular slide is about. Just have a little discussion about that. Okay. As always, if you have questions, the Hangout is available during class time. I'm also available 2 to 3 during office hours every day. So if you have questions, or if it's easier for you to do an email, that's just fine too. I'm on all day. So if you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask. All right. Good luck on this. It's important to get outside, get some exercise, and also now get some points for doing it. So this will be your assignment for the next 3 days. Okay. Hope everybody has a good one. And if you have questions, again, don't hesitate to ask.